Go ahead and open.
Yay!
Mommy's just back from Paris.
Wow!
What'd you... Wow.
Oh, that are special types of design. Also, a brush.
Very cool.
What's this, Mama? The marshmallow gummy bear candy. And wow, it's fresh. Wow.
Ooh, perfume. Wow. Those are cool, Cindy.
I know, because the other girl's gonna stick more than you do, but it's just chocolate. Oh, yum.
Those are cool.
So much, Mom. Can you lick it right now?
Lauren, show me your bag.
Mom, can we eat this right now? No, because you need
Ta-da! Cool.
to do your purple dance.
And Anna.
Oh, they're beautiful, Mom. Mom, can you put the rose right here right now? It tells what your name means in French on the back. Mom, it's quiet. Because I mean, I'm gonna I got perfume, Anna. Very sensible. Nice. I think it's like all it's
Ooh, look at Lauren there. She's ready to hit the Paris.
Come here, I'll show you. Come here. No, please. You do this way. Come here. Just squirt this in and perfume comes out. Ooh, I smell.
Ooh, Lauren, wow.
Very French.
We can adjust the straps for you.
Dad, smell my perfume. Wow. And your what? Dad, can you put the roses right now?
Mmm, that's good.
Come here.
Remember, one squirt because it'll be too strong.